MACINTOSH Fire Suppression Inc. is your trusted partner in fire protection, protecting lives, preserving assets, your guardian against flames.
MACINTOSH Fire Suppression Inc. offers products that are UL listed, FM approved, and are designed and maintained in accordance with NFPA codes and standards. MACINTOSH was established to provide quality fire protection and security systems nationwide. Our company's objective is to protect lives and safeguard high-value assets for corporations and various types of businesses. If you would like a free quotation, feel free to reach out to us through our social media pages, MACINTOSH Fire Suppression Inc. or MFSI_2013, or our official website, macintoshfire.com. We'll provide you with a cost estimate for your fire protection system so you can compare it with other providers.
MACINTOSH Fire Suppression Inc. offers to supply and install SG-Fire systems. We also offer high-quality clean agent fire extinguishing systems, listed by underwriters laboratories and approved by Factory Mutual, and designed in accordance with NFPA 2001 standards. We are currently delivering fire protection services to large data centers, transportation centers, power plants and various industrial and business sites worldwide. We also offer a clean agent equivalent to Novec 1230, known as SG-FK 5112. The extinguishing agent used in FK 5112 is environmentally safe, eco-friendly, non-conductive, non-corrosive, and leaves no residue. It is also UL and FM listed, making it suitable for a wide range of business and industrial applications. Our clean agent fire suppression systems utilize both HFC 227EA, equivalent to FM 200, and FK 5112, equivalent to Novec 1230, extinguishing mediums. Our engineers offer expert guidance throughout the entire purchasing process, from identifying system requirements to installation, commissioning, and post-sale support. Here's an example of a server room installation, demonstrating how the system activates in the event of a fire. Let's first look at our cylinder and valves. Connected to our SG fire suppression cylinders, parts like our manifold, solenoid actuator, valve assembly, pressure gauge, check valve, discharge hose, pilot hose, and our cylinder. Next is our control panel. We have our indoor manual release or manual pull station and indoor abort station, including our Hochiki alarm bell, SG fire evacuation light, SG fire gas discharge light, heat detector, discharge nozzle, and smoke detector. Here's a scenario of what happens when a fire breaks out in a server room. In a likelihood of a fire, one of our smoke detectors will then sense the smoke in the room, immediately activating both evacuation light and alarm bell, alerting people present in the room to leave the area. The ventilation system will automatically shut down to contain the fire. And then the heat detector, or second smoke detector, activates, lighting the gas discharge light and horn. The control panel will proceed to a 30-second countdown to attempt to discharge cleaning agent into the room. Control panel will signal the actuator to release valve pressure. The agent will then travel through the piping into the nozzles, where it will be discharged to quickly extinguish any fire and prevent any damage or loss of assets in the room, ensuring uninterrupted protection and peace of mind. Once again, MACINTOSH Fire Suppression Inc. supplies and installs high-quality HFC 227EA and FK 5112 systems. We also offer CO2 and SG Inert gas clean agent fire suppression systems to meet more specialized fire protection requirements. MACINTOSH Fire Suppression Inc, your trusted partner in fire protection.